Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix wireless charging not working in iPhone in iOS 17. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, restart your iPhone. So to restart your iPhone, press and hold your power button and volume down button at the same time. Now swipe this icon to right side to restart your iPhone, and after restarting the wireless charging will start working properly. So if it's still not working, then make sure you have centered your iPhone on wireless charging, and after that clean your back side of your iPhone and the charging pad, and after cleaning the wireless charging will start working properly. But if it's still not working, then open settings, scroll down and click on general, then here click on software updates, and from here check if your iPhone is updated to the latest version or not. So if your iPhone is not updated to the latest version, then update it, and after updating your wireless charging will start working properly. But if it's still not working, then turn your DFE mode on your iPhone. So to turn on DFE mode, just simply connect your charger, press and hold your power button and volume down and up both button at the same time. So when you press these three buttons at the same time, the DFE mode will be turned on your iPhone, and it will automatically fix your wireless charging problem. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.